Welcome to another busy day at Wilton Marina. We'd like to take this opportunity to show you how we get narrowboat Nisha out of the marina into our new shed for welding and blacking. What we'll do now is we'll lift the boat up, move it forward and then show you the crane's party piece. Now we've got the boat outside the shed, we can put it into what is known as carousel mode. This allows the boat to spin on spot and makes it a lot easier to get it into our workshop. As you can see, now we've got the boat where we need it. We will just reverse back into the workshop and the boat will then be positioned on the two stands which are behind. Thank you for watching the video today. We do hope you found it informative. If you're looking to have your boat blacked or any ongoing maintenance work, then please contact the office. And for further updates regarding Wilton Marina, please follow us on Instagram and YouTube. Welcome to another busy day at Wilton. Welcome to Wilton Marina.
It's on film, it's on film.
Welcome to another busy day. Welcome to another busy day at Wilton Marina. We thought we'd take this opportunity to show you how we get narrowboat Nisha to another busy day at Wilton Marina. There's a train coming.
One go.
Hang on, I need to compose myself.